Hi, this is Metal Steve. You're not going to believe this, folks, but your set-top box, your cable box, your satellite box, but for some reason not as much with your DTV box, consumes more power than if you had 3 full-size refrigerators and were constantly running the washer and dryer together. And you had 2 sets of washers and dryers. Your DTV digital converter box doesn't consume as much power, but it consumes more power than 3 TVs. And considering with the rise in the electric bill that's coming, oh, you might want to look this one up too. There's a big hike in the electric bill that's coming. Like I said, 2018 is going to be rather cumbersome. All right, so yeah, like I said, your all your cable boxes and stuff, and you would not believe how much power your internet router actually uses as well. That's another good reason to switch it off when you're not using it, because that uses a metric load of power. Plus, it now interferes with the radio, so yeah, not what I would leave on. This is Metal Steve signing off. Later.